Jolene, Ride the Wind e-bikes, we want to thank you very much for choosing us. And here's a video on how to charge your Evoque Enza. This has an onboard charger, so it's literally looks like a Tesla and not the longest cord in the world. So if you need an extension cord, try to get the shortest one you can and get a good quality. Don't go to the dollar store. Don't get those white ones. You want a nice thick cord like this. We also recommend a timer, but I'll go through when to charge. You can just kind of charge these overnight, okay? But we do like timers. So I'm going to put this into the timer. Okay. Now you just open the door. It can only go one way, flat side up. Give it a good snug push. Okay, that's it. Now you're gonna hear it. You probably can't hear it in the video, but you can hear it charging. And you've got a light in the back seat. This is gonna indicate that you're charging. So come take a look at this. You see your flashing light? That is red for charging. When it's done charging, you're no longer gonna hear the fan, and that's gonna be green. And it's really as simple as that. Okay, remember, don't leave it charging for days and days. Try to charge it overnight and then unplug it. That's the key. It's not a trickle charger. It's just you charge it and you're done. Kind of like your cell phone. So yeah, there you go. Done.